Hari Om. Welcome to Vishwabharati Vedic Astrology. In today's episode, we are going to talk about very rare and unique Grahasthiti. 6 planets are going to be on their Uchasthiti or on their Swakshetras, and we are going to discuss about those details in this video. So, according to my calculation, these kind of particular grahasthiti, like 6 planets being in their own houses and being in a very positive energy places, it's never happened before. Like, we calculated like 300 years back. Also, we verified that is this kind of planetary position happened before, and we actually inquired about we actually with curiosity we just checked that is this going to happen in the next coming like 100 years or 200 years. But no, we are not able to find out that is going to happen in the next 400 years or it happened in before 400 years back. That means in the 4 generations, coming generations also cannot witness these 6 planets being in a very positive position on their own houses. So when this is happening or when is going to happen, what we should do while these planets are in their at most powerful position. So in USA, according to my calculations, September 12th, it's a Saturday, midnight, 11:55 onwards, and up to like a 15th September, it's a Tuesday, Mangalavara, morning 3:45 minutes, total 51 hours, 55 seconds, this planetary position is going to be there. So what is the uniqueness about this planetary position? Every planet, they have their own house. And like Simha Rasi is Ravi's own place. So in this particular time, Ravi is going to be in that Simha Rasi for that 51 hours and 55 seconds. And while he is there, and Chandrama, yes, moon is also going to be in his own house, Karkataka Rasi. And after that, Mangal, Kujagraha, is going to be there in Mesha Rasi. And Budhagraha is going to be there in Kanya Rasi, which is his own house. And Mangal also, Mesha Rasi, his own house. And after that, Guru is already in the Dhanu Rasi, which is Sagittarius, which is his own house again, and a very powerful place for him. And again, Saturn is in the Makara Rasi, as you all know, and it is his own house. So here, Venus is not in his own Rashi, which is maybe Vrushabham, or he should be in Tula, but this time he is in the Karkataka Rasi, so he is not in the very good position. And Rahu Ketu, when we see both of them in a Samakshetra, which is in neutral positions. So out of 9 planets, 6 planets are in their own houses and in a very powerful position with the utmost positive energy, and only Venus is in the negative position, and Rahu, Ketu are in the positive position, not in the positive position, neither in the negative position, they are in a neutral position. So what is the benefit what we are going to get from this 6 powerful planets being on their own house? So it is a very rare, unique and a very unique kind of planetary position. It might happen in Puranas. It says like when Rama, when Lord Rama actually took birth, and that time, these planets are in the very positive position in Uchasthiti. Again, after verifying some Puranas, there are a couple of stories or a couple of sayings that it happened in Puranas, but for my observation, it never happened in the before like 400-500 years back, or nor it going to happen in the next 400-500 years back in the future. So we are very fortunate to live in this present time. So what we should do on those days? And again, this timing is only for the USA, and Indian timings are different. For India, it is September 13th, and on Sunday, 10:27 to 15th afternoon 2:25, and in India it is like a 51 hours 48 seconds. It's going to be there. So eventually, so we are talking about the USA timings. So I just want to focus on that. So for USA people, on Sunday and on Monday, what is the best you can do to get the utmost spiritual power, to accept the utmost spiritual power, cosmic energy, to take that positive energy to you? What you can do, what you're supposed to do while these 6 planets are in their own houses with the very, very powerful positive energy. On Sunday morning, since that day is a Ekadashi, it is a very good to worship the Lord Mahavishnu as well as Surya Bhagavan. If you have a wheat grains, you can just keep them in a small banana leaf or a betel leaf and put a clay diya like a lamp and pour some sesame oil or ghee and just light a lamp and chant Mahavishnu Sahasranama. And particularly if you want to take the time, it is nearby like 11 o'clock to 12:30, in between that time. That time is a very, very good time to do that chantings. So worshipping, like doing a Aditya Hridayam for the health, or Vishnu Sahasranama for prosperity, growth in your life, and for Shatru Samhara you can do Manyu Sukta Parayana, or you can do the Hanuman Chalisa part, and for well-being of your family, your kids and your husband, women can chant Lalita Sahasranama that time and worship goddesses Maha Ragni Sri Lalita Parameswari. So on Sunday morning, these are all things you can do to receive that cosmic energy from that 6 planets. So what you should do on the Monday, because Monday is going to be a Soma Pradosha, which is a very, very rare combination, adding more auspiciousness and the greatness to this 6 planetary position, Lord Shiva's day, that day, evening time. If you can visit the temple or online because of the COVID, and see the Rudrabhishekam, Pradosha Kala Archana of Sri Lord Maharudra, that will be very, very good. Rudam Dravayati te Rudraha. That means the sadness, the unhappiness from your life, it will be defrozen or vanished because of just looking or participating or doing by this Rudrabhishekam. So what you should do on Monday evening time, doing a Rudrabhishekam while these 6 planets are in the very, very auspicious places, is a very, very important thing. Don't miss this chance. And the Sunday morning and 11 to 12:30, and again Monday evening 6:30 to like 7:30 or 8 o'clock. These timings are very, very important. This is a very auspicious time, especially this is only for the USA. Please do something or some kind of spiritual things to get this benefit out of this 6 planetary positions, which is a very rarely happening, and it won't happen again and again. Okay, don't miss this chance, and be happy, and thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe for the more updates about Vedic astrology, and which is only based, like we talk timings and grahasthis based on USA. So please don't miss. Thank you so much.